information gathering. Probably one of the easiest categories where you as a student can pick up points in a mediation competition. Because as judges, what we're looking for is information gathering, which means we want to see you being super curious about the other side's concerns, curious about their priorities, curious about their interests, their position. So you'll be asking all sorts of questions, like big open questions. Tell me more about this. Could you say a little bit more about that? What are your key priorities for this mediation? Just questions that gather information. Information is key in a mediation because the more information you have when it comes to option generation, then you will be in a much better place. So lots of open questions and other types of questions like closed questions. So when you say X, do you mean Y or Z? So again, these sorts of questions, they're different because they're helping you clarify, narrow down particular issues, and also just get some clarification on any areas that are, a little bit gray or ambiguous. So you can close them down with some closed questions. But information gathering is an easy win for you. You've just got to be curious. So lots of open questions.